When a new online order is received, a pop-up will appear on screen to confirm that the order has been placed by the customer. To view and manage your online orders, select the Web Orders button on the top right corner of the screen to go directly to your Web Orders screen. Here you can customize your availability for delivery and collection and update the applicable expected delivery or collection times. You can choose to have orders approved and sent to the kitchen automatically or require manual approval. In this example, we will accept the order. We can then confirm to the customer that the order is ready for collection. And once the order is paid, we can then confirm that the order has then been completed, and this will then remove the order from our screen. You can turn off the option for customers to pay on collection or delivery and require the customer to pay by card. Thanks for watching.